tell me
So
one thing
BPSH
from,
is,
yeah, tell
yeah.
me from one thing from both your perspective and Stishwa's perspective. If a client takes the plunge, a leap of faith, and he starts doing that on the costing, what costing does he see? So what costing comes to him, say managing his portfolio global?
So I'll tell you only about the expenses when you're buying it. There are two costing. One is obviously just expenses. Most of these ETF are 10-20 basis point a year. So it's hardly anything you are paying for just clicking a buying or selling button. And the way, let's say, mutual fund charges, you only look at mutual fund charges. So I'm comparing it to that.
True.
Hardly 10 to 20 basis. There is one other cost associated with that. Sutasha, would you want to talk about that one?
Yeah, so the stack, for example, right? A stack may
Yeah.
cost anywhere between 1% and 2%. Depending upon the the kind of stack it is, depending on the creator of the stack, depending upon the company that's running the stack on the Stockle platform. Again, like Ritesh pointed out, this is all expertise driven investment product that has been created, right? It is you could have done your own research and made your own investments, and the cost would have been lower. Just pay the brokerage, right? When it comes to a stack, then it becomes something that an expert has spent, or a team of experts has spent time and effort on research, and they maintain it over a period of time. They will rebalance it, etc., etc.
And
So
obviously it has been brought onto your platter, so obviously there will be a cost accrued to that when you're bringing funds or the companies from across the globe onto the platter. That obviously, so we are seeing around 1 to 2% of the spread.
in terms
Yeah,
of stacks, yeah.
I think it is. Look at Sitasha has very clearly mentioned it. Like you do it, you want to do it yourself. There's a 10-20 basis point you are paying, plus obviously broker, but only 10-20 basis points. So it's hardly any cost. But if you want an expert advice who's done, who has a lot of experience, who's seen the markets, okay, and you want his advice, you have to pay for his advice. It's as simple as that. So there are both the models. Nobody's, and you can decide based on your understanding that I want to take it my own plunge, and you can do that thing also. But if you want to go it through an advisor or you want to take a stacks, this is very easily available on Stockle platform, and there are almost 7-8 stacks. Think about it, that you want, do you like something and you did not like something, just click it and it is available to you. You do not have to go through 10 different mutual funds, look at their portfolios. You can just look it over here. All of them are available at one place.